how you pop a tire, though. Like.
Across the road, like I have
First time drifting, it's been 2 years.
Yeah. How many years?
2 years, bro. So hello and welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting day, a very special day for myself and for Julian, but mostly for Julian. His car is finally ready. We got a dyno about 2 days ago. We've driven the motor in, it's been built, it's everything, it's perfect. So today we've managed to procure the track for a couple of hours. Huge shout out to the Grassroots Drifters team for that. We've got a bunch of S13s here. And it's gonna be a skids day. The sweet sound of big turbo engine. Bro, are you stoked?
Yeah,
easy.
That thing is fucking smoking though.
Which one?
Julian's car.
All of them are smoking, bro. That's just a CA18 thing. Smoke means power. I've got Wessel out here. Say where? Oh man, this is so epic. We're on a track with the I-10, boys. Here we go. Yeet. So what's the plan, bro?
I'm securing my gauges.
Oh wow. With some tape.
Yes.
That's the way to do it, bro.
That is the way to do it.
Is that drift tape? I hope it's the right tape, bro. Drift tape is the way to go.
Nitto!
Yeah,
it's a
there
tire tape!
Why you gotta be like this? In the time that I set up an FS700, Julian has managed to plant one GoPro in his car. Okay, first skid of the day, let's go. It is absolutely mad. They are going and doing their things. We're gonna go and do a skid. I've convinced Julian to take me first. I just need to put a helmet on and some long sleeves, and it's extremely hot for winter. I'm quite surprised.
Oh bro, I'm so excited.
Raymond, can you confirm if we can go or not?
Can go.
Alright, sweet.
Yes, my boy!
Alright, we've done some track surveillance. We're happy with the layout. Well, are you happy with the layout, sir?
No, it's cocked.
Yeah. Well, I guess we're going to do it anyways. Alrighty, we're going to go full send. Julian? Okay, we're not going full send. Okay, we're going half send. I believe second is where it's at. Oh, well, you did say you were going to go filming. Guys, I'm honestly so happy that lockdown has finally gotten to a point where, you know, the restrictions have just been lifted to the point where we're allowed to test our vehicles and stuff in very small groups, and it's just super exciting because I know, like, in the next few weeks the drift bucket's coming back. It's going to be better than ever before, and like I'm going to be here joining these guys and actually doing skids. And honestly, I'm the most jealous person right now, but I'm also the most amped person right now because I know that soon I will not be missing out. I'm gonna see if someone will take me for a drive because, like, no offense Juls, I love you, but it ain't fast enough. This is actually my first time I've ever been in 86. This bad boy is stock, so today you are gonna be privileged to see driver's skill and not just overpower. Sorry, I'm gonna be that guy, like.
Driver's skill, why not?
Yo, Jules, looking good there, bro.
Factory skidding. Stock cars are the future.
Oh, that is mad, dude. It's so smooth. Like,
All this thing really needs is a bucket seat, really, bucket seat, coilovers,
Yeah.
and send it.
and you're good to go.
Become better, then buy parts to make it faster. You don't need a 2-gear swap, you don't need a turbo kit, you don't need a supercharger.
Oh,
You drive better.
here's the proof. Drifting like a boss.
Well, not quite a boss, but it
Oh,
was.
this is.
Oh well.
That's mad, dude. That's mad. And like what? These 86 make like 200 kilowatts?
No, not even
Like-
200 horsepower.
200 horsepower. Yeah, exactly.
Like work, if you learn to work with the lack of torque,
Yeah.
it just makes you a better driver for when you have the torque.
So would you say it's a momentum thing though?
It is
Like-
definitely momentum
Yeah.
car.
So
First,
momentum driving versus power driving. Like, it's two different styles completely.
Bearing in mind, this is my daily.
Yeah, so you
I
don't want
drive
to
like
kill
500
yourself in it.
Ks
Yeah,
a week in
100%.
this car. See, ideally, if I had bigger balls, I'd be entering here.
Yeah.
But my balls are still small.
But it's no, well, it's your daily, so. Damn, the G-forces on that one though, like, that actually did scare me a little bit, I'll be honest. Oh, someone's number plate.
That's Jay's number plate.
Man, we were hugging the inside of the curve there. You are a very, very good driver, my friend. I give it to you. That was very sick. That was very sick. So we have been doing some proper skids out here today. We're gonna get you some donuts for the boys. Jules supplying donuts today. Man, that sounds good. I'm just gonna be that guy. I think your car sounds the best out of everyone's here.
Really?
Yeah, and I'll put that on the internet. I'll get in trouble for it, but still.
I'm gonna. Well, I'll hear on the video. Can't hear sharing
It
this.
sounds amazing. We're gonna call it a day. That's the end of our track time. Shout out to you, bro. Thank you for all the content. Shout out to you for having your first drift day, Jules. I'm so proud of you, bro. As I always say, subscribe if you haven't. If you have, you're awesome. Continue being awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.